Germany's economic comeback. If you're new to our channel, then subscribe and stay connected with us by like, comment, and share this video. Germany is the sick man of Europe no more. Thanks to its service sector, it now appears that it will exit recession, and the economic future could be bright. The PMI data for April surprised on the upside for Germany, led by the service sector, which has also boosted the overall Eurozone PMI reports. However, the manufacturing sector has crashed and burned at the start of the new quarter, while the service sector has surged, suggesting that the consumer is doing the heavy lifting as we move through 2024. Service sector to boost global growth. The service sector seems to be a catalyst for the entire global economy in April, with strong expansion in the service sector PMIs for Germany, the UK, and the Eurozone as a whole. The German service sector PMI rose to its highest level since July last year, and the composite figure was above 50 for the first time in 10 months. This suggests two things. Secondly, that Germany's recession was driven by the manufacturing sector, and secondly, that the bounce back in growth is all down to services. No green shoots for the manufacturing sector yet. The detail of the German report also showed some interesting developments. The manufacturing index contracted yet again, however, it was the slowest rate of contraction for a year. However, new orders for factory business fell to their lowest level for 5 months. Total new business also continued to fall, but there are signs that this is bottoming out. Inflation pressure could be moderating. The employment situation reported in Germany's PIS for April also showed contrasting fortunes for the service and manufacturing sectors, with the service sector adding employees and the manufacturing sector shedding staff for another month. Is Germany bouncing back? The big question that arises from this data is whether or not Germany has emerged from recession. Tuesday's data suggests that Germany has a two-speed economy with a weak manufacturing sector and a strong service sector. In fact, the latter may have skirted a recession altogether, according to S&P Global. Service companies are confident in Germany, and this could be a catalyst for an economic recovery later this year. Can German stocks benefit from a return to growth? The immediate reaction to the German data has been felt most keenly in the stock market. The DAX is leading the way in Europe and is encouraging positive risk sentiment. The MDAX, Germany's mid-cap stock index, has underperformed the blue-chip German stock index for most of the past year. However, it has turned higher in recent days. And if the German economy recovery continues, then the mid-cap index could outperform the large-cap DAX in the medium term. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at financialmarkets.online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.